Motors family. This is the 1999 Jeep Cherokee. It comes with 67,197 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 4.0 liter inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Jeep is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. This vehicle also comes in kilometers, not miles, so the number that y'all are seeing down here, 108,144, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 67,197. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We're going to start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicle across the USA, then you are at the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. I did want to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate it, and it does mean more to us than you'll ever know. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.